ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Next, put x is equal to 1. Then what happens to y? Take y, 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So the point we get here is, when x is 1, y is 0. We'll get like this. So we'll separate it this way, case 1, case 2, like this. Now we take x is equal to 2, what happens to y? X equal to 2 implies 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So we get once again x comma y is equal to 2 comma 0. So x is equal to 3 gives what? 3 square is 9 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. This is 9 minus 9 gone, 0 plus 2. So x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. So we have got 4 points here. The points are 0, 2. Next 1, 0. Next 2, 0. And then 3 comma 2. Now we have to plot the curve. We have to plot the graph. How to plot the graph? You can take various points, and by taking various points you can draw it, but now I am taking the 4 points, I am drawing the curve. X comma y, what is the first value of x? 0. Then y value is 2. X value is 1, y value is 0. X value is 2, y value is 0. X value is 3, y value is 2. So we got 4 points here. We have to draw a curve. Because there is no negative x axis, I am taking like this. This is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, so on. It is positive x axis. This is minus 1, minus 2, and so on. It is negative x axis. On the upward direction, the same 1, 2, 3, 4, it is positive y axis. This is minus 1, minus 2, it is y dash, negative y axis. Now you should draw a curve. It is not a line, because it is a second degree equation. It is a curve. It is generally called as parabola. It is an upward curve. How the curve is drawn? First take the first point, 0 comma 2. This is 0 comma 2. You can look at the point here. I have put a cross mark, 0 x, y is 2. Next x is 1, y is 0. Here it is. Here it is. Next x is 2, y is 0. X is 2, again y is 0. Here it is. Next x is 3, y is 2. This is the point. Look at the curve here. I am just plotting it here. I am plotting the curve like this. This is the curve. you can see the curve, it is a parabola. Where does it touch x-axis? It cuts x-axis at 2 points. What are the 2 points? 1 and 2. So whenever y is 0, we get y is equal to 0 implies x equal to 1. Y equal to 0 implies x equal to 2. These are called zeros of Px or roots. This is the quadratic equation. If at all it is a quadratic equation, the roots are 1 comma 2. If it is a polynomial problem, the roots are the zeros are 1 comma 2. Like that you have to solve it. So I wish that you can take down this problem. It is a 8-mark question in the final examination. It is an 8-mark question in the final examination. In order to verify this problem, I will do the same problem by factorization method and check up whether the roots are the same, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 or not. So first of all, take down the problem. Copy down the problem. It is a very important problem, interesting problem, and examination oriented question. So you can look at that and copy down that. I will explain and I will verify this question by factorization method too. Then shall we verify it by factorization method? I am writing here on the right side part, verification part. What is the equation? X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. By guessing, the product is 2, sum is minus 3. Then what could be the roots? Minus 2, minus 1. When you multiply minus 2 and minus 1, it is 2. When you add minus 2 and minus 1, it is minus 3. So it is x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. X is taken out as common, minus 1 is taken out as common. So you get x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 2, x equal to 1 is the answer. Even by factorization method, the question has answer x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. I hope you have understood this problem. Solve graphically. There may be some additions in the question. Does the graph touch x-axis at 2 points or not? Sometimes the question may be that. What do you points or at 1 point or at no points? Conclude, justify your answer. Like that the question may be set in the examination. Here is a polynomial question, so you are asked to find the zeros. Sometimes the question may be solve the quadratic equation graphically and conclude. They may ask, and what is your conclusion? Now what is my conclusion here? The conclusion is that the graph cuts x-axis at 2 points, hence it has 2 real roots. Therefore, thus we conclude that its discriminant b square minus 4ac is always positive. Hence it has 2 real and distinct roots. The 2 roots are given by x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. I hope you have understood that. The same kind of problems are given in the examination. We will try doing few more in the next class. Shall I explain the same once again? How this table is obtained? Take the curve, or we can call it as a quadratic equation. Take various values of x. X equal to 0 is one assumption, x equal to 1 is second assumption, x equal to 3 is third assumption. We can take 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Or if you want, you can take minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, any 4, 5 values. Afterwards, we get y values. You get x values here, y values here. Because it is always a quadratic equation is always a curve. So you must plot a curve. So it should be like a curve. Don't draw a line. So I have plotted a curve and verified that it is cutting x-axis at 2 points. Hence the 2 points are obtained. So in our next class, we are going to deal with one more problem which is graphical solution.
Hello students, myself is Sanjay Kumar Singh and I did my B from Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, and I am having 18 years experience of teaching. Now I am associated with KVC classes. Now here the advantage which you people are going to get, that there is a technical pool of faculty, mostly from IITs. So this is one of the biggest enabler for achieving your success. The second best thing is that doubt classes and all, they are conducted in the presence of faculties. So third is that your entire curriculum, timing of teachings, all is being monitored by ITMs and NITMs. So come here and join us.
Welcome back students. We are doing quadratic equations, examinations questions, and questions based on graphs solved graphically. You may be given a quadratic equation, or they may call this as polynomial also. Sometimes the question is set in terms of polynomials, sometimes the question is set solved graphically. Whatsoever it may be, you can do it by this way. So I am just writing one problem, solve graphically. Solve graphically. X square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. This is the question. So before proceeding to the question, instead of doing it by graphical method, can we do it by any other method? Suppose they don't mention solve graphically, this bracket is not given, solve x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. How will you solve it? Solving it by factorization method is allowed, factorization method, or completing the square method, or formula method, any method is allowed. So let us do it by three methods. Now first I am doing it by graphical method. So what I suppose is y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Solution, I am doing this problem in three methods. So the given problem is x square minus 2x minus 8 is a polynomial, or if we write it as x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, it is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation or polynomial, whatsoever it may be, we are taking the equation part, the left side part, and we are calling it as y. Y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8, say. Now we have to find for various values of x, what are the values of y. So we can take x is equal to 0, there are assumptions, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2. So like that I will take 5 cases. In all my 5 cases, what I am taking, x equal to 0 and proceeding further for the value of y, then 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So for all these 5 values, what are the y values? I am writing and tabulating. Afterwards I will tell you how to draw the curve. Then what happens to y? 0 square minus 2 into 0 minus 8. Finally it is minus 8. So it is 0 comma minus 8. So we got one point on the x axis on the graph, that is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is minus 8. So we will draw a line here. So this is 1, x is equal to 1, then what happens to y? 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 8. So 1 square is 1, minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10, minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So the value is 1 comma minus 9. You will get this as 1 comma minus 9. Next 2, what happens when we take y, x equal to 2? X equal to 2 gives y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 8, minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 4 minus 8. So the value here is x is equal to 2 gives y is equal to minus 8. So we got 2 comma minus 8 as 1 point. Suppose x equal to minus 1, what happens? Minus 1 whole square, minus 2 into minus 1, 2, minus 8. Minus 1 whole square is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So, minus 1 equal to minus 2 whole square is 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So, minus 2 comma 0 is another point you will get. So, we got 5 points. Just verify all these values whether they are correct or not. 0 minus 8, 1 minus 9, 2 minus 8 and minus 1 minus 5 minus 2 0. Now, we have to plot the curve. Plotting the curve is not that easy. When you are given a graph sheet, you can draw this figure very accurately. So, thinking that I am given a graph sheet, I am just explaining you how to proceed further. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, x equal to 1, 2, 3, maximum is 2 here. I have written 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, that is enough. You do not need fourth point also. This is x axis, this is negative x axis. Upside 1, 2, so we have negative values minus 8, minus 9, minus 8 like that. So, 3 like that. Downwards minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 like this. Now, what is the first value? 0 minus 8, 0 gives minus 8. Here is the value 0 minus 8. Next 1 minus 9, 1 is going up to this is the value. Next 0 minus 8, 1 minus 9, 2 minus 8, again 2 minus 8, here it is 2 minus 8. Next minus 1 is minus 5, minus 1 is minus 5, here it is. Next minus 2 is 0, minus 2 is 0, here it is. So, you can look at this, the curve is going like this. The curve is going like that. You can see that it is going like that. 2, 2, minus 2, what is the value of 2? 2 comma minus 8, 0 comma minus 8, 1 comma minus 9, this is the value. Now, where does this cut? That is what we have to see. This cuts, let me draw the curve like this. Because the graph is not given, if the graph is not given, plotting the curve is not that easy. Be careful about that. You have taken very few points, so the curve is like this. So, you can see here the curve is cutting x axis at minus 2, 0 comma minus 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 0 are the 2 points on x axis. Am I right? That means what? X is equal to minus 2 implies y equal to 0. X is equal to 4 implies y equal to 0. What is our y? X square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So, x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 is y, implies x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 4. These are the answers. So, we have to solve it graphically, means by taking the graph we are solving it. This is one way graphical method. So, graph is generally given, you have to draw it this way. So, when graph is given, you must draw a tabular form also. Be careful to draw a tabular form. X, y. What is x value? 0, minus 8. X value 1, y is minus 9. X is 2, y is minus 8. X is minus 1, y is minus 5. X is minus 2, y is 0. So, with the help of the tabular form, you can plot the curve, and the curve says that minus 2 and 4 are the answers for this problem. The same problem, if it is given in the examination without mentioning that solve it by any method, how will you solve it? So, this is a graphical problem. By graphical method you have solved it. Now, let us do the same problem by a different method. X square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. That is what I am writing here. And once again, x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. We have already got the answer minus 2 comma 4. This is solve x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. I am solving it by 3 methods. First method is graphical method over, it is 8 mark question. Suppose you are asked to solve it by factorization method. First method, factorization. How to do it? So, you must guess the answer, guess the product and guess the sum. What is the product here? Minus 8. What is your guessing of the product? Minus 4 and plus 2. What is the sum here? Minus 2. What is the guess here? Minus 4 and plus 2. So, I will split it this way. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Take x as common, x minus 4. Plus 2 is common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, x plus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. X equal to 4 is the answer. Look at the previous problem. What is the answer here we got? Minus 2 comma 4. Just compare the answer once again. What is the answer? Minus 2, 4. That is by graphical method. This is by factorization method. Just see the answer. Minus 2 comma 4 is the answer. It is by factorization method. Solve the given quadratic equation by factorization method. 4 mark question. Solve graphically 8 mark question. Or the same question may be given in a different question, different form of the question. For the given polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8, find the zeros by graphical method. That is the working. So, shall we do this problem by completing square method? Completing square method. Completing square method. So, I am taking this x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So, x square minus 2x is equal to 8. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab term is there. A square minus 2 into x into 1 minus 2ab. What is the term to be added? Adding 1 square, subtracting 1 square. So, right side is no change. X square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. Minus 1 square is going to right side as 8 plus 1 square. So, this is a square minus 2 a minus b whole square formula, x minus 1 whole square, which is 9. This is 3 square. So, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 3 square. So, x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. So, x minus 1 equal to plus 3 is case 1, x minus 1 equal to minus 3. So, x is equal to minus plus 3 plus 1, which is 4, x equal to 4, x is equal to minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. Look at the answer. Same answer we got here also. This is completing the square method. How to complete the given problem by square method, completing square method. Shall we do this problem by what is the other method? Other method is, tell me, what is the other method we have? Formula method. What is the formula? B square minus 4ac. Wow. Third one, formula method or discriminant method also.